Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I must listing marketplace with my multiple Facebook accounts. So here is my software review. So first, I have account management. This function will help you to add and manage a limited Facebook account. So you can add your Facebook account in here. So you can choose the account that you want, like this, and you log into Facebook. And the software will auto log in to the account that you select. So here you can see the software will auto open browser like this, and will also log into to the account that I select. And in each browser, you can zoom in and use this just like a normal browser.
Mua 45.000 chưa chắc tạo được page cày thật. Mua thử rồi. Mua con là mua 7 con, thằng đấy mua 7 con.
Okay, to mark listing the marketplace, you will need the content. So I will go to content management. In here, you will prepare your content, and you will set up the content that you want. So I will choose add spot in here to add the content that you want. So you can select your category that you already add, and you can choose type, and you can see you can choose many types of your post in here, like comment, message, post, message, seating. Seating is mean you auto add, auto like, auto comment that you want, share, reel, or marketplace. So I will choose marketplace. So here you can choose the product that you want, the type of listing that you want, and price you need, and you can enter your price in here, and you can choose the product category and condition, and you can enter the content in here and set up the color location, and you can upload your image or video that you want. After done, you press step to save the content. Next, to mark listing your marketplace post, I will go to post function. In here, you can choose many types that you want, like post group, personal post, post profile, post marketplace, or post history. So I will choose post marketplace. So first, I will select the account that I want to post marketplace. Next, I will set up the basic configuration. First is a break interval time between iteration. I will set up from 10 to 20 seconds. And I will select the content that I want. This is the content that I already add in the content management. So I will choose allow to be clipped between accounts. So next, I will set up the number of posts each account will post. After everything set up, I will press start and let the software do the work. And here you can see the process in here. So after posting done, I will go to content management to check. So you can see this a post on marketplace that I already post 3 minutes ago. So basically, I just show you how I must listing marketplace with my multiple Facebook account. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me about. So basically, I just show you how I must listing marketplace with my multiple Facebook account. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much for watching.